Hello everyone, my name is Nicole and I'm going to present my project corresponding to the third partial. The topic is desertification and its influence on agriculture in Ecuador. And I will answer the following question. How does desertification affect the economic development of the agricultural sector in Ecuador? Ecuador is a country located in South America, in which multiple activities maintain the stable economy of the country. Among the main ones is agriculture. Sorry. Okay. Agriculture is a process by which plants are sown in order to obtain crops or known as fruits. Okay. However, this process can be affected by various causes, one of which is the certification. Okay. The certification is the process by which productive lands become dry and unproductive, and this is due to various factors, such as use of agrochemicals to advance harvest, overgrazing of animals, and deforestation. And as previously mentioned, the country's economy depends largely on agriculture because through this activity, product exports are carried out. The employment rate is increased at the national level, and even products are produced for the consumption of the inhabitants of Ecuador. Despite this, farmers do not have the support or needs they require from the state, which worsens the situation. The lands that are affected by desertification have consequences such as the loss of animals present in the area, increases unemployment, which produces poverty and even migration to other countries of South America or the other continents. When the land becomes a desert, its ability to support the surrounding population of people and animals decreases dramatically. Food often fails to grow, water cannot be collected, and inhabitants shift, leading to various human health problems ranging from malnutrition, respiratory diseases caused by dusty air, and other illnesses stemming from lack of clean water. The prospect of climate change and rising average temperatures could amplify these effects. Finally, I can be affirmed that agriculture is essential for the development of the country and to maintain basic food needs. It's our duty to protect agriculture in every possible way by implementing innovative technologies, crop rotation, implementation of agriculture in the control of pests, and could appear and spread to various sectors. And thank you, everyone. That's all.